Welcome to Learn a Concept series. These videos are short and give a quick introduction to a concept. Let's learn a concept today. Stay ahead in technology by learning data science concepts. Keep updated about machine learning, deep learning, statistics, NLP, reinforcement learning, and more in this series. I am Praveen Kumar and I work on emerging technologies with a primary focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Be sure to subscribe as I keep updating my content and add more videos. Our Learn a Concept for today is clustering. Clustering comes under unsupervised learning as it deals with unlabeled data. When dealing with some real-world examples, data may not come with predefined labels. In such cases, we need to develop ML models that can group this data by finding some commonality in the features. Some of the use cases of clustering are anomaly detection, recommending systems, finding customers with common interests, document classification, customer segmentation, there's an example on the right side, insurance fraud detection, transaction logs of large enterprises like bank transactions, IT infrastructure logs, shopping data. These are all some of the examples of clustering. Let us take the scenario of grouping a random set of people. Since there are no labels, we will rely on the algorithm to group them in the most convenient and logical manner. Let's say we give the input as 3 clusters. The program may come out with 3 groups based on the ages as to young people, middle-aged people, and old people. Now, let's take the same scenario of grouping a random set of people, but this time we give the input as 2 clusters. The program may come out with 2 groups as male and female, or it may just divide 2 groups as younger and older people. This example is extremely simple to understand and I hope everyone gets this easily. This is a clustering problem for a retail project that I had worked on. Patterns of ordering food can be very interesting and important dynamic. People between the ages of 18 to 25 may prefer burgers and french fries. Couples with kids may prefer restaurants that has good desserts and high chairs. Some people are regular visitors and some are one-time visitors. The term RFM also refers to recency, frequency, and monetary value are great insights. The analytics around these are important to merchants so that they can throw great deals to customers for footfall, they can reward loyal and returning customers, or even manage their inventory based on this data. But how do we classify the groups? Clustering is a great approach that comes to the rescue here. You simply throw all the data to the algorithm and give an input of how many groups or clusters to be divided, and the magic happens by itself. These are some of the important types of the clustering. Partitional clustering is grouping based on their similarity. Your k-means is a partitional clustering. Hierarchical, as the name suggests, it groups based on subsets or objects within each cluster being similar. You can imagine how Google Maps shows markers on zoom in and zoom out. Now, density-based clustering works by identifying dense clusters of points in any shape and identify outliers. dbScan is a popular density-based clustering algorithm. Distribution-based is a clustering model in which the data is fit on the probability of how it may belong to the distribution. For example, Gaussian distribution-based clustering. Hope you learned the concept in a simple and easy manner. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment today. Goodbye and have a nice day.